So I thought I'd do a quick update before I start making a whole bunch of dust, because I'm going to put sawdust in the wood stove and a bunch of wood here. And so this is an update on the let's call it lumber salvage. So this is the extreme. This is a board that the bugs totally destroyed. And then there's ones like this where you have to look close. Like I can see some sign right there. And when I look at the end of it, definitely some spots here. And a spot over there, and I decided it's not worth it even trying to salvage any of it. And here's another case where it's just too much of it gone. Now I have 2 more boards to go through to plane. I don't know if any of them is any good, or it's a hit and miss. Some boards were hardly touched. I can see some on the other end of this one. I haven't examined real closely because I haven't ripped this one yet. But here is material that I went through and I'm pretty comfortable with using. And then I put a bunch down here. I'm kind of just trying to get all of it planed. I mean, this board right here, beautiful board. Little bit of bug activity in the edge on some of it, but very little. This is just one of the pieces. So I'm examining the edges here, examining the ends, both edges, and that's what I'm looking for. A friend told me that I don't know where he got the information, but he said it takes him 5 years to go from one end to the other. So it's not a quick process. I don't know if this is my fault because I piled it where I did, or if I knew there was bug activity and that's where I piled it where I did, because I didn't want it near my other stuff. So either way, it got worse over the last 10 years. Maybe 15 even. I might have had it for like 12 years. But it wasn't a huge percentage of my lumber, so I hope the other stuff that's stored in a better place is going to be in mint condition, but who knows? I could be surprised on that one. Okay, anyways, I'm going to get 2 really nice projects out of it. It did cause a good probably 40 or 50 to 60% loss. You can see my burn pile here, and then this isn't all of it. I've already burnt up a bunch. And I'm going to have some more waste because once I start cutting these for length and ripping these, I'm going to have more waste, but some of that is standard in woodworking. And it's just part of the game. Okay, so it's got some beautiful lumber. It's going to make 2 really, really nice projects. Couple observations. Some of it was white ash. I thought for sure the white ash would be just totally demolished, because I know from past experience they like white ash, but I'm surprised they were not. The white ash boards were some of the best boards. They went after the red oak for sure. Not all the red oak. It's really weird. There'd be a red oak next to another red oak, and one would be destroyed and the other one would be pretty much good or all good. So, but there is 15 species of red oak. So maybe they were going after certain species or subspecies. Okay. Here's a really nice one right here. Not sure. I can't tell right offhand what that is, but doesn't look like an oak. Actually more like this board, only a lighter version. So I'm gonna have some really nice projects, and after today I'll probably start putting one of them together, so we'll have some videos on that. Okay, let's get to work.